Hey guys, we're going to jump into the reverse bend, and this is a really bluesy sound. You can use it in plenty of other spots, but I just absolutely love it in the blues. So let's have a look at, we'll go some E pentatonic, I think. We're going to work up in this area, so it's really cool. You can get E pentatonic goes over lots of stuff. You can do all sorts of rhythms and slip in a reverse bend. Okay, and that's what I'm talking about. It's where it's up, pick, bring it back down. So if you think about it, when you're bending up, it's great because you can hear where I need to get that next note. So if I'm looking at this going, I need to hit that note and I'm bending up, you can actually bend up to there. In a reverse bend, you don't actually have that reference point. You've got to actually bend it up and then bring it down. So it's a bit of, I wouldn't say guesswork, but knowing your scale. So if you've got this, that, we can go. Hear how that's just not quite there? That's what makes this sound so awesome. So if you right up in the here, bending back down, it's that transition through. So even if you don't get it bang on, it will sound really good. So we'll go through it again. So this is just working up on 7, 9, 7, 9, 8. There's that note on the 12th. So bend up, get a feel for that. So we want to bend up to that note first. And back to this one. So try it again. All right, nice little finish after your reverse bend. Okay. Now, if we move it down, we've got a so we've got another one really nice there, up on that 10th, and that's that note. Bend up. Okay, so you're getting an idea here. You're hitting up. Now, that's looking at that whole step bend. So what we want to look at is go, all right, what happens if I just want to do a smaller one? Say I'm working in the minor instead. All right, you've got to look for where your bends would fit for a half step. And they can be really effective. So this note, bent up. So you're just going so you can do it with that one finger and bring it back. and it's very nice. Bending up. It's that down motion that is really, really cool. So, all right. So we're getting a feel for these reverse bends. Now, something else that can work really well is on the low end. So if we've run this back a bit, it's that really, now I'm just doing a half step, and that's where in the blues I'm hitting that sort of low. So you really hitting that in-between off note. Now you could try and go for a two-step there, sorry, a whole step. It's really pretty hard. So use with caution, that one. Right, so when you're whacking this in a run, have a nice little practice. Use this spot to start, slip into your minor, so you can slip back and forth into that minor really nicely. Drop in a low one. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.